Do you want to discover why thousands of entrepreneurs, digital marketeers, local business owners, coaches and consultants just like you are switching to Kartra? The only all-in-one marketing platform that makes it ridiculously easy to scale your business fast. In this video, I want to show you firsthand how Kartra compares to Kajabi. Kajabi is a phenomenal at building a membership site, but despite claiming they are an all-in-one tool, they lack critical features you need for success. Are you ready to get a solution that not only builds your membership site, but does everything else you need to run your business? Hi, if you're new to this channel and you want to discover everything about social media marketing, social media advertising and online sales funnels, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And I'll promise you, I will give you a ton of valuable information. When it comes to building a membership site, Kajabi does it, and they do it well. In fact, users around the world will praise their membership site capabilities. But running a business is a lot more than just a membership site, and that's where things start to go downhill with Kajabi. Despite claiming they are an all-in-one tool, they don't offer help desk features and scheduling tools, both of which are crucial to success. And even where they offer features such as affiliate tools or video functionality, they are lacking in power and analytics. And that's if you are on a plan that even offers all that functionality. Their most affordable plan cuts out affiliate tools, automations and team editor, so you have to shell out for other additional platforms just to do the basic functions every business needs. Not only will costs quickly add up, but too many integrations will confuse analytics, preventing you from getting a full picture of how your business is performing. If you're ready to get a solution that not only builds your membership sites, but does everything else you need to run your business, then look no further than Kartra. Kartra takes care of emails, landing pages, customer support, affiliates, premium video, membership sites, checkouts, and a million other things. In fact, Kartra clients rave about how much money they save with Kartra because the huge feature list allows them to cancel all the other marketing tool subscriptions. In the description or comment section below, I will share a link with you where you can try Kartra for 14 days for just $1. It costs 5 times as much to acquire a new customer than to retain an existing one. That's why customer service is vital to your business success. Except Kajabi currently doesn't have a built-in help desk, meaning you'll need to purchase yet another third-party software. Fortunately, with Kartra, their help desk is built right into their platform. This allows you to easily provide immediate customer support via live chat, and their built-in email reply system will make your customers feel heard and help resolve issues as fast as humanly possible. If you're a consultant, coach, or just want to host live events, you need a simple and intuitive calendar tool where your customer can check, schedule, and self-manage their appointments on their own. Except with Kajabi, you need to purchase a separate calendar software in order to do this. But the hassle and the extra bill can be avoided with Kartra's built-in calendar functionality. This allows your clients to self-book and reschedule based on your availability and even sends automated reminders so no appointment is ever forgotten. Moreover, since Kartra calendars and Kartra checkouts are part of the same family, you can charge for your sessions straight from within the calendar app, ensuring your time is always worth something. Imagine building an army of people that are enthusiastically promote your product on a daily basis and create a lasting impact on your overall sales. This is called affiliate marketing, and to convince people to sell your products, your affiliate process should be seamless and exciting. Unfortunately, the Kajabi affiliate portal is only available to higher price plans, and even if you pay for those plans, Kajabi doesn't have screening tools built in for affiliates or automated payments. Alternatively, Kartra comes with a built-in affiliate questionnaires, and you can set up payments to automatically go out to all affiliates, only certain affiliates of your choosing, and or only after a minimum amount of sales is made. This ensures you finding quality people for the job without spending extra time shuffling payments around. Are you interested in gaining residual income as well? Well, unlike Kajabi, Kartra offers an awesome affiliate marketing place to both find affiliates to sell your products and become one yourself. It's no secret that video marketing is important to a business. After all, marketers who use video grow revenue 49% faster than non-video users. So why would you want to waste your budget on a platform with only the most basic video functionality? While Kajabi automatically integrates with Wistia, it doesn't include clickable call to actions, like a buy button during your pitch or an opt-in form for that free download directly on your video. It also doesn't include share to unlock features or triggerable automations based on how long someone watched your video. Kartra, on the other hand, reliably hosts your video with a customizable player complete with advanced in-video actions so you can get more conversions, shares and sales. You can add compelling call to actions and opt-in forms at any point while the video is playing, as well as automatically tags viewers based on their behaviors. Customer didn't watch the whole video? No problem. The tags will show you that and instantly activate automations, such as sending a follow-up email, entering your viewer into a special offer campaign, subscribing them to a list and more, giving you more chances to convert leads to customers. Did you know companies who use data-driven marketing are 6 times more likely to be profitable year over year? That's why detailed analytics are more important than ever. However, Kajabi doesn't offer split testing, leaving you in the dark about which campaigns are working and which aren't. And there are no tracking links, so you won't know where your traffic is coming from and what they do once they get there. And for every tool that doesn't exist within the platform, you'll need to collect and distill results from the integrations you use, all of which use different methods of data display. Not to mention you're risking some major data transfer errors if the integrations are connecting properly. On the other hand, all of Kajabi's analytics are unified and talk seamlessly with every other part of Kartra, all the time. This means Kartra knows if your forms are converting and if your video are being viewed, and Kartra knows if your page is getting a lot of visitors but not a lot of sale. Kartra even gives you a complete lead history report filled with every single interaction a lead has had with you online since joining your list. That's the full story in real time, so you can continue to make data-driven choices that ensure your success. That's why detailed analytics are more important than ever. In the description or comment section below, I will share a link with you where you can try Kartra for 14 days for just $1. Now you ask yourself, all those features and Kartra is saving you money? Kajabi's most affordable plan clocks in at $119 per month when paid annually. That's a whopping $40 more a month than the equivalent plan in Kartra. However, that's before you add an affiliate management system and an automation tool, which aren't included in Kajabi's basic plan, along with a help desk platform and a calendar schedule tool. That means if you want any of those critical features for running a business, you're going to have to open your wallet again and again to pay for software that integrates. Before you know it, that $190 per month price quickly adds up to hundreds of dollars a month. Kartra, on the other hand, gives you all of those above features no matter the package you select, ultimately saving you a lot of cash. With Kartra, you won't need to purchase other software or set up confusing connections to get started. Kartra programmers have done all the work for you, so everything is already integrated for you straight out of the box. Choosing Kartra is the right choice because their product comes packed with every tool you need to effortlessly run your online business. And you know what they say, time is money, and Kartra saves you a lot of both. When you choose Kartra, you gain a family. They have an online community with 10,000 members and growing. So your question will never be unanswered, and you will always receive the support you need. They also offer a robust marketplace community and a done-for-you campaign community where users can download funnels from follow market experts on their platform. Why spend time on web development when that's not your forte? The best thing about Kartra is its simplicity. With their drag and drop features, your marketing campaigns will be created easily, look fantastic, and run themselves. From websites to email marketing, shopping cart technology, and more. Kartra truly is the first all-inclusive online marketing platform. Kartra seamlessly integrates all the essential marketing tools your business needs in one super easy, radically affordable platform. Get ready to boost your bottom line from the first login. Are you ready to join the Kartra revolution? In the description and comment section below, I will share a link with you where you can try Kartra for 14 days for just $1. If you find this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Now, my name is Kirby Bulow and I'm the founder of Social Media Gids. Now let's get started, get connected, get informed, and get active.